Welcome to Human Biology 3D. Today we will explore how the male reproductive system develops and how sperm is formed. Human life begins at fertilization. In the early weeks, the embryo looks the same in both males and females. At this stage, primitive gonads are present, but the sex is not yet decided. The embryo has two duct systems, the Wolffian ducts and the Mullerian ducts. In a male embryo, a Y chromosome is present. The Y chromosome contains the SRY gene, which triggers the development of testes. The primitive gonads slowly transform into testes. Sertoli cells develop inside the testes and support sperm formation. Leydig cells produce the hormone testosterone. Sertoli cells release anti-Mullerian hormone, which causes the female ducts to disappear. Testosterone stimulates the Wolffian ducts to develop. The Wolffian duct forms the epididymis. The vas deferens also develops from the Wolffian duct. The seminal vesicles form from the same duct system. Testosterone is converted into a stronger hormone called DHT. DHT forms the penis and scrotum. The testes move downward into the scrotum. Now let's look at the adult male body. These are the testes, epididymis, vas deferens, prostate, and seminal vesicles. Inside each testis are tightly coiled seminiferous tubules. This is where sperm production takes place. Spermatogonia are stem cells that divide to form sperm. They develop into primary spermatocytes. Spermatocytes undergo the first division called meiosis I. This produces secondary spermatocytes. Secondary spermatocytes undergo meiosis II. This forms spermatids. An acrosome forms on the head of each spermatid. A tail develops to allow movement. The midpiece fills with mitochondria for energy. A fully formed sperm cell is now Sperm begin to swim in the fluid. Sperm are stored in the epididymis. Here they gain motility and the ability to fertilize. The vas deferens carries sperm forward. The seminal vesicles add fructose-rich fluid. The prostate adds a milky alkaline fluid. The Cowper's glands add lubricating mucus. Sperm and fluids together form semen. Semen passes through the ejaculatory duct. Now let's understand hormonal control. The hypothalamus releases GnRH. The pituitary gland releases LH and FSH. LH stimulates Leydig cells to release testosterone. FSH stimulates Sertoli cells. Testosterone supports sperm production. Inhibin helps control FSH levels. Blood fills the penis, causing erection. All these parts work together to make reproduction possible. In this way, embryology, spermatogenesis, and male anatomy create the foundation of new life. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.